Today, I'll show you how to create a bootable Windows USB flash drive using Ubuntu. You'll need two things: a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage and windows.iso file. Open the disk's utility from the menu. Make sure you have the Windows file downloaded from Microsoft's website. You'll see your USB drive listed. Select it, then click on the small circular button, More Actions button. From the available options, choose Restore Partition Image. Locate your windows.iso file, select it, and click Open. Press the Start Restoring button. This process will erase all data on the USB drive. Once confirmed, simply wait for the installation process to finish. As you can see, all the necessary files for system boot are there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below. See you in the next video.